Spanakopita. They're always a hit at all the family functions. My friends go crazy for these. But look, I'm not the expert in the field. My mom is, and I am happily her co-pilot on this great, easy recipe. Do me a favor here, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and the like button so you can see more great, easy recipes. There'll be Greek-style, Mediterranean, Arabic, and of course some of Uncle Drew's specialties. Onions always smell good. Nice. Good. So what are you doing here? Just mixing in your onions, garlic, olive oil, and spinach?
Yeah. Just enough to soften them up a little bit. Oh, they need ready. Spinach wilts very quickly.
What are you going to add seasoning-wise?
Well, just salt, pepper, and some dill.
How much salt are you putting in, Ma?
Oh, just a pinch, not a punch.
How much pepper are you putting in?
A pinch, not a punch. Dill.
Dill. Mm-hmm. Is that it for seasoning and flavor?
That's it, except for lemon juice at the very end.
So how do I say this in Greek? What we're making?
Spanakopita. And now the lemon juice.
Look, my mom gave me a stern reminder to make sure I have fresh dill on hand, not the powder stuff for these. Always make sure your kitchen is stocked up properly before your mom comes over. So you're just giving them a light tap of butter to start? Mm-hmm. And then you're layering in another piece of phyllo pastry?
Mm-hmm. 2 sheets.
2 sheets on each one.
Yeah.
And a layer of butter goes in between them. And how much of the spinach mixture for each one?
Teaspoon.
Teaspoon. And then you're wrapping them as tight as possible, correct?
Flag.
Flag pattern. Roll in nice and tight.
Yeah.
And does that help them from bursting open during the cooking process?
Yes.
Adding on some nice feta cheese. We just kicked those up a notch. Boom! Everybody pay attention right here. The technique is so important when folding these in the flag pattern. Let's check this out. Speed is secondary, precision is priority number 1. Next up, I'll do my part right here and brush these with a little bit of butter before they go in the oven. And please do your part as well and make sure you hit that subscribe and like button. Look at those, golden brown. Everyone knows coming out of the oven, these will be piping hot, but we don't care. We're willing to take the burn for the team. We're not wasting it. Oh.